Hello students, hope you all are okay, well and fine. Let us solve one question on digital circuits, digital electronics. This question has been asked in your ESC 2011 examination. Just read the question statement. For the given logic circuit, what will be the required inputs A, B and C respectively to make the output y is equal to 1? Alright? You understand the question? For the given logic circuit, this logic circuit is given to you. He is asking you that what will be the required inputs A, B and C respectively to make the output y is equal to 1. Alright? So that is a condition. You want to achieve output y is equal to 1 from this digital circuit, and for this he is asking you to find the inputs A, B and C, whether it will be 111 or 101 or 001 or 011. You have to choose one correct option. So there are 4 options A, B, C, D, only one option is correct, right? So you have to choose that correct option. So let us solve. So first of all, see here in this logic circuit there are 2 kinds of gates, right? Number 1, AND, this is AND gate, right? And number 2, these 2 gates are XNOR gate, right? XNOR gates, right? See here, bubble has been attached here. This is XNOR, right? So this is XNOR gate. This and this, there are 2 XNOR gate and 1 AND gate. So now what is the truth table of XNOR and AND gate? See here, for AND gate you know that if the input are 0 0, then A dot B, A product B is 0. If the input are 0 and 1, then also you will get output of AND gate as 0. Now if the input are 1 0, A, B are the input, right? A dot B shows the AND operation, right? So if the input of 1 and 0, then also you will get output of AND gate is equal to 0. Now if the input are 1 1, then only you will get output of AND gate equal to 1, right? So now XNOR gate, this is the truth table of XNOR gate, right? XNOR means AB plus A bar B bar. This is the XNOR operation, right? A, B are the input and XNOR will be AB plus A bar B bar, right? A dot B, A product B plus A bar dot B bar, right? So this AB plus A bar B bar is a XNOR operation, right? For XNOR gate, AB plus A bar B bar you have to do, right? So let me fill the truth table. If input of XNOR gate are 0 0, if A and B both are 0, then the output of XNOR gate is 1. Put here A dot B. So 0 into 0 plus A bar means complement of A, that means 0 complement 1. Dot B bar means complement of B, that is 0, B is 0, so B is 1 here, complement. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, right? Similarly, if input are 0 and 1, then you will get XNOR output equal to 0. Similarly, do AB plus A bar B bar. If you do, you will get 0, right? Now, if the input are 1 and 0, then output of XNOR gate will be 0. Similarly, if both the input are 1 1 for XNOR gate, then you will get output as 1 for XNOR gate, right? Now, with this information, you can solve this question very easily. See here. So just think logically. He want output of this logic circuit y is equal to 1. Okay. So just think logically. AND gate output will be 1 if and only if both the input, or you can say all the input of AND gate are 1. Right? See here, if any one input of XNOR, if any one input of AND gate is 0, if any input of AND gate, if any input of AND gate is 0, you will get 0 output for AND gate, right? See here, Here both are 0, so output 0. Here 1 0 is present, so that's why output is 0 for AND gate. Here 1 0 is present in input, that's why output is 0. But you want 1. At the output of AND gate, you want output as 1. So this is only possible when all the inputs of AND gate are 1 only. That's the only possibility, right? So that means, can you tell me what should be the output C? So what should be the input C for this AND gate? Definitely it will be 1. All the input of AND gate, it will be 1, right? So write 1 1 1 here. So this input is 1, this input is 1, this input is also 1, right? All three inputs are 1, then and only then you will get output of AND gate is equal to 1, right? Now if C is 1, if C, this is the C input, right? So C is 1, you have you find that C input, it will be 1, definitely, for sure, right? C is 1. So if input C is 1, right, C is 1, then for XNOR output to be 1, can you tell me what is the input B for this second XNOR gate? XNOR output, it must also be 1, right? For getting AND gate output to be 1, XNOR output should be 1, it must be 1, right? So that means if one input of XNOR is 1, then definitely another input B, it must also be 1 only. Then only you will get NOR gate output, XNOR gate output will be 1, right? See here, if both the input of XNOR gate A and B, if both are 1, see here, A, B are input. So this is general, this is combination 1 and 1. So if both the input are 1 and 1, then only you will get output of XNOR gate equals to 1. So if one input is 1, another input, it has to be 1 in order to get one output from XNOR gate, right? So B is again bound to be 1, definitely B is bound to be 1, right? So see here, B is bound to be 1 because you want XNOR output to be 1. So when both the input of XNOR gate are 1 1, B is 1, C is 1, both are logically high, then only you will get output of XNOR gate is equal to 1, right, from this combination, right? Now if input of this XNOR gate B is equal to 1, if one input of this XNOR gate is equal to 1, that means if B is equal to 1, then for getting output of this first XNOR gate equal to 1, what should be the input A? Can you tell me? Definitely again A is equal to 1, right? A must be 1, A is bound to be 1 because you want output of this XNOR gate is equal to 1. So for getting one output port from this XNOR gate also, both the input of this XNOR will be 1 only, because when both the input of XNOR gate are 1, then only you will get output of XNOR gate equal to 1, right? So now you find the answer. What should be the combination? ABC, A must also be 1, B must also be 1, and C must also be 1. Then only you will get output of these two XNOR gate equal to 1, C is equal to 1. So then input of all three input of this AND gate will be 1, and then only you will get output of this AND gate Y is equal to 1, right? So what is the correct option? A is the correct option, right? A is the correct option. That means all input will be 1 only, right? For getting output 1 from this, for getting output Y is equal to 1 from this logic circuit, all the input A, B, C equal to 1, right? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C equal to 1. So option A is correct, right? So option A is correct, right? So this question has been asked in ESE 2011 examination, right? So likewise, keep on practicing. So if you like, you can subscribe the channel for all such kind of questions on ES and GATE, right? So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.